Canada welcomes immigrants from around the world for their experience, skills, and ability to contribute to Canada's economy. They also bring diversity and help build vibrant communities. If you are an experienced professional or skilled worker and you want to come to Canada permanently, take advantage of the Express Entry system. This video will help you create an online Express Entry profile, the first step in the process. In your profile, you will tell us about your skills, work experience, language ability, education, and other details. If you meet the criteria, you will be placed in the Express Entry pool. You will get points and be given a score based on the information in your profile. Your score will be used to determine your position in the pool. The top candidates in the pool are then invited to apply for permanent residence. Start by using the Come to Canada online tool to see if you meet the criteria to get into the Express Entry pool. This step will take about 15 minutes to complete. We need to know your language ability in English or French. You'll have to take a language test at one of the approved testing agencies before filling out your profile. Have these things ready: your language test results and the skill type of the job your work experience is in, and, if different, the job you plan to have in Canada. Find the skill type of your job in Canada's job classification system, the National Occupational Classification, or NOC. Use our online tool at canada.ca/express entry. If you want to get points for the education you got outside of Canada, you will need an Educational Credential Assessment, ECA. You can learn more about ECAs and the organizations that offer them by visiting our website. After you have finished entering all of your information in the Come to Canada tool, and if you get a positive result, a reference code will show on the screen. Write this code down. You will need it later when you go to build your Express Entry profile. The next step is to gather the other things you will need to fill out your Express Entry profile. This may take some time, so start getting your information together right away. You will need 1. Your personal reference code from the Come to Canada tool. 2. Where you have lived over the last 10 years or since the age of 18. 3. Details about your work experience for the last 10 years or since the age of 18, such as dates of work, start and end, contact, including address, and hours of work per week. 4. Your passport information. 5. If you have one, a copy of your written job offer from an employer in Canada. 6. Information about your family members, including dependent children. If you have a spouse, you will need his or her information, including their language assessment and education assessment if available. If you have any questions while filling out your profile, look for the question mark button and click it. Remember, filling out a profile is not the same as applying for permanent residence. If we invite you to apply, you will still need to fill out your online application. If you get an invitation to apply for permanent residence, we will ask for proof of the information you gave us in your Express Entry profile. Remember, be completely truthful in your profile. We can refuse your application if the information in your profile is different from what you submit in your application. If you have any questions while filling out your profile, you can find more information by clicking the button that looks like a question mark. Visit our online help center if you have any other questions. An important note: completing an online Express Entry profile or entering the pool does not guarantee that you will get an invitation to apply. It is only the first step. A final reminder: having the correct information and documents before you fill out your profile will speed up the overall process. It also reduces the chance that your profile will be rejected because it is incomplete. You're now ready. Start your Express Entry profile today at canada.ca/express entry.